Hi and welcome to the SYIL UK showroom here in Rotherham. Today I'm stood in front of the SYIL L3 turning centre, and more specifically we're here to talk about the WTO QuickFlex driven tools that takes this machine's turning capabilities even further. I'm joined by Pat O'Connor, the Technical Director of SYIL UK, and he's going to give us a bit more of an overview of the SYIL L3 turning centre.
This particular model of machine is one of three different variations. The first one being live tools with C-axis only. This particular machine behind me is the LTY, which is live tooling with a 200mm class leading Y-axis. And we've recently announced a partnership working with WTO driven tools through Cutwell. And the reason for that is we very much wanted best-in-class products to use in what we believe are best-in-class machines.
The WTO QuickFlex driven tool is a modular driven tool system that's ironed out a lot of the traditional issues that you get with driven tooling. I'm going to go through what makes it unique.
I'm going to take you through some of the features of the WTO driven tool, starting from the back, working my way to the front. You've got the drive cog, which is made to a maximum tolerance, gives you the best engagement in the turret. Forward from that, you've got the Oldham compensation clutch. This gives you plus or minus 50 microns of compensation between the drive cog and the spindle. Gives you a soft stop and start when your tool's going from 0 to 4,000 or 0 to 8,000 RPM. It just helps to give you better longevity of the tool. Going forward from there, you've got the pre-aligned tension keys. They do this at the WTO factory, so that when you receive the tool, put it on your turret, it'll already be perfectly aligned. Then got the housing, which is quite a large housing because they use oversized bearings to give you better rigidity, surface quality, and just a better general life of the tool. Forward from that, you've got the labyrinth lip seal. It's a very user-friendly seal, good for servicing, but also allows you to have high pressure through coolant. Then, of course, you've got the WTO QuickFlex output. It's one of the best quick change outputs on the market. It truly is quick change, less than 15 seconds. Very safe because you've got the one-hand wrench that sits on the front and allows you to have a free hand. And also, the adapter's got a polygon drive so you can't slip. I'm going to demonstrate more of that in a minute. And lastly, even the bolts got O-rings on so they don't drop out if you hold the tool up.
I'm going to show you how fast it is to change from an ER collet to a QuickFlex adapter. Now this adapter here is a face Malaba, and to give you a bit of information about the backside of this, the taper is the same as an ER collet, and it's actually face and taper contact, so it's super rigid, and it comes with a polygon drive, so it eliminates any slip. So first of all, I'm going to use the one-handed wrench that locks your spindle, freeing both hands up. Now for the wrench to take the collet out, and now for the face Malaba. Using the C-spanner to tighten it up. You can have these preset offline, so you change it over and you can cut immediately.
So hopefully that short technical demonstration showed you the importance of time savings, consistency, and part quality, and how this tooling can give you an edge in a very competitive UK market.
If you actually want to see it in person for yourself, we're actually stood in one of two different technical showrooms now. What we'd like more than ever is for you to come through our doors and have a look at how SYIL, Cutwell and WTO driven tools can help you find the difference in your production process.
Thank you for watching the video. If you want any more information, please contact one of us or have a look at the links below.